everyone, my name is Jennifer Cruz and I am currently an applicant for the FIU Masters in Counseling Psychology. I myself am an alum from FIU. I have my bachelor's in psychology there, and it is an honor to be able to apply to this program to further my studying and further my education on this wonderful topic. My passion for psychology first started when I took AP Psychology in high school. It was a great experience. I learned all the theories behind a working mind, all the theories behind behavior, things like that, and I have just found myself applying it ever since in every position that I have been with. I have had positions typically with patient care. I first was a patient care coordinator at a physical therapy clinic, and I would find myself speaking to the patients, especially during evaluations and treatments. I would find myself speaking to them and wanting to understand more about what they were feeling, of the weight on their mind rather than their physical abilities. I would find myself just asking them if they felt stressed or overwhelmed, and typically the answer would be yes. I just think that there is a great connection when one's mind is feeling overwhelmed, when one's mind is feeling heavy. It is greatly affecting the ability for physical improvement. So I would just always make sure to ask the patients how they were doing. A lot of patients would go to counseling, which is a great thing to see. Now I am currently a referral coordinator, and I work with the elderly population, and I typically daily I make referrals for patients to go to psychologists. I schedule their therapy sessions. I make the referrals and authorizations for them. I call them and inform them and just ask them how they're doing, seeing how they feel about it. It's a great thing to see that many people are being sent, especially in the elderly age when people start feeling more down. I think it's a great thing, and especially in the Hispanic area. I am Hispanic myself. I am from Cuban descent. There is a negative stigma related to going to a therapist. It is typically seen as problematic, or seen as one having mental issues that they need to go to therapy to solve it, and my goal is to show that that is not true. I myself go to therapy once a week. Every Wednesday I will go and I will sit for an hour with my therapist. This first started for 2 years ago because I was feeling very down, figuring out what I wanted to do with school and just other personal stuff that I was going through in my life. I decided that I needed to go to therapy. Despite the comments that I would get from my family, I decided that it was important for me to go. And I think it is one of the best decisions that I have ever done, and it has heavily influenced my decision to apply to this wonderful program. Even now, when I am feeling well and better mentally, I go weekly and see my therapist and speak to her about everything that I am feeling, and it is a good thing to do. It is something that gives you peace of mind. It helps you understand how to overcome obstacles. It makes you understand why you are feeling the way that you are feeling and how you can better yourself. It is just a great thing to do for your own self-care, and that is my goal for the future when I get my master's, and hopefully when I own my own clinic or get my PhD, which are all goals of mine in the future. This is my goal, this is my plan, to just help patients understand this, that it is a good thing to be going to counseling and therapy in any way, even when you are a child, when you are married. It is just good it is very beneficial for you. And I think the FIU program is a great program for me because I know that it has a lot of faculty guided mentorship that I can be guided in and just understand different theories and how it applies. It has research and it has clinical training and different areas that I can observe. I just think these are all important for my learning process, especially with the professors. I just need a lot of support and a lot of education. So I think this program offers a lot of great features that I can use and become the best counselor that I can. I think that I would be a great candidate for this program because I have a lot of problem solving skills and communication skills. I know how to express theories and how to explain them to people. I am very motivated. I know what to do. I know what my mind is set to, and I am very adaptable, so I can learn things and understand why my way of thinking might not be the best. I just think I would be a great candidate for this program, and hopefully I can get accepted. So thank you.